We have division by powers of 10. How I know we have division? Because we have fraction. Fraction bar means division. So how we do this? When we have division by the power of 10, we have to move decimal point to the left side always. And how many digits? We have to count the zeros. We have 2 zeros, so we move 2 places to the left. Let me rewrite this one more time. We have decimal point 43 divided by 100, like I said, 2 zeros. So we move 2 places, and because division, it means we move to the left side from decimal point. So now our decimal point will be between 2 and 2. So this is equal 2.2343. Decimal point, we move 2 places to the left because we divide by 100. So we have 2 zeros, 2 places we move. Always when we have division, we move to the left from decimal point. Next example, like I said, we have division here because fraction means division. We have 5843 divided by 1000. What else? When we don't have decimal point, it's always at the end because we have division, so we have to move to the left. And we just count how many places. We have 3 zeros, so we move 3 places to the left. So decimal point now will be between 5 and 8. So this is equal 5.843. This is my solution.